Hello, my dear student. How are you? Hope you are fine, doing well. Today we will start to review HTML, and we need to start from what HTML stands for. It stands for Hypertext Markup Language. We need to start with some terms like website. What's the meaning of website? Website is a web page or more are linked together under a certain name. And please don't forget that the certain name is the URL, and the URL is the address of the web page. So the website is a web page or more are linked together under a certain name, and this certain name is the uniform resource locator. The uniform resource locator is URL, is the address of the web page. Okay. What is the meaning of web page? Web page is a document, an electronic document, which has a content published at the internet and displayed through a browser. And the browser is a software that displays a web page, like Firefox, like Internet Explorer, like Opera, like Google Chrome. Okay, so what does the website or the web page contains? It contains maybe hyperlinks, maybe texts, maybe images or videos, sounds. Okay. So we call the HTML is Hypertext Markup Language, and it's a code that we use to make a web page. It's a programming language like English. We use the English language to communicate with people, and we use HTML to communicate with the computer and writing web pages and websites. Okay. We have two types of web pages: static web page, dynamic web page. The static web page is designed by the HTML, and that we will go to write it together, this term, and the dynamic web page designed by Java and PHP. The difference between them is that the static is a pre-made content and it's remained constant. We didn't interact and don't allow the user to interact with it, like the Facebook. Facebook is an interactive page where you can put a comment, we can write, we can tag somebody, we can press like, we can press submit, a lot of things to interact. But the static, like Wikipedia, we can also write text and insert picture. Also, we can read only without any procedures. So it's a static web page. It's the difference between static and dynamic. Okay, there are stages for design a website. There are 5 stages. The first stage started from the planning, and then designing, then preparing and processing, then implementation, and finally publish the website. Let's start from the planning. Planning the website, we must draw a diagram. Like if you have an idea in your mind and you need to create it, you must have a paper and write it, like a diagram, home page, about school, gallery. If we need to build a website about our school, so we must build a diagram. Then the second step, to design the web page. After I make the diagram, I imagine the font, I imagine the color, I imagine what hyperlink I will insert, and the layout will be like what. Okay, this is included the design step. This is the second step, and then the preparation and processing. And we need to prepare the text, prepare the pictures, and prepare the videos, the text, the pictures, and the videos, or the sound that you will insert inside your web page. After you preparing them, you should to implement your web page. What's the meaning of implement? You convert all the stages before or the previous stages into a website. You insert your data, you create your hyperlinks, and you start to implement your web page. This is the fourth step. Okay, then finally, or the end. At the end, we publish the website on the internet. We book the web address. The booking will be in by a Visa or your credit card on some of the hosting website. Okay, and I need to revise the stages again. BDBIB: planning, designing, preparing, implementation, and publishing. Please revise them. Okay. After that, this is the end of the first lesson. Please answer the questions and let me know any questions at the comment. Thank you. Please, if you like the video, like it. Bye.